Right, let's talk Zoho Analytics quick setup. Not a lot to do on quick setup for analytics. If you haven't already if you haven't already added it to your applications, go to Add Application, type in here Analytics, and it'll find it already added. So now you can go through the settings, go back to User Home, to go to your User Home, click on Analytics, and it will open it. If there's already some apps installed, you will have some workspaces where it will be showing Zoho CRM and projects. There isn't any specific settings at this point that you need to change or edit. And Zoho Analytics is, I don't want to say it's for all the geeks, but you need maybe a bit more of a geek to run it. I've been a Crystal Reports developer for years, and I find Zoho Analytics quite hard work, I would say, is the answer. So you need somebody who kind of knows what they're doing, but we'll be doing more Zoho Analytics videos going forward. When you're just setting up Zoho One, which is what these first initial setups are, you're not going to have a lot of data in your Zoho or places to show information. But as far as setup of Zoho Analytics out of the box, there's not a lot you need to do, but you will see in there your CRM reports, all the default stuff. There's obviously a lot of things to do to customize reporting, customize data, and all sorts of things like that. There's lots of other feeds you can get through. So this is not a good video on how to set it up. It's just I want to do a quick setup on every app in this series. And Zoho Analytics, out of the box, you don't need to do a lot with it. But in the future, we will be doing a lot more once we've got some live data, once we've got to tunnel into things to make our business run smoother. So keep an eye out for future analytics reports. I know this was rubbish, but I just wanted to do an app install on every app for Zoho One.